Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where I prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients, and you know it. So today, friends and family, we are making this vegan friendly and sumptuous dish, Bambara beans or Aboboi. So I realize most homes don't prepare Bambara beans because they might not know how to prepare it to perfection, or wouldn't even know how to enjoy it. But you know, the answer is here. Just join me, let's get started. So to begin with, I have soaked my Bambara beans, that is 1 cup, for 24 hours or overnight. Okay, so I'm going to list the ingredients in the description box so you check it out. So now I'm going to wash this about 2 or 3 times and then straight into my pressure cooker. So make sure you add enough water to it to cook the beans. Okay, Bambara beans are rich in vitamins and minerals. They boost blood level in the body. Yeah, they treat anemia. So please, if you need more blood, enjoy some Bambara beans. Okay, yeah. So now straight to the fire, and then after 25 minutes in my pressure cooker, this is the result we have here. Our Bambara beans is almost cooked. Yes, so at this point I add some salt to taste because it's already cooked, and then I also add some pepper to it, and then I'll add some onion, yes, for it to cook, and then I blend it and then add it to my Bambara beans. Yeah, so that's Aboboi for you. Yeah, and also Bambara beans corrects malnutrition among children. Yes, so please, sometimes we need to give our kids some Bambara beans to eat, and they are gonna love it. Okay, so look at how creamy our Bambara beans is looking here. So I add my blended onion to it. You can also choose to add some little tomato, which is optional, but I prefer mine this way. Okay, so now I stir for it to cook additional 10 minutes. And you see, I'm mashing it a bit because I want mine fluffy and soft and smooth. So at this point, I add some brown sugar to it. Yeah, this is where the sweetness comes in. You know, when you're eating Bambara beans, it's a bit sweet here, so you add some little sugar to it, but please, it's optional. Okay, all right, so you can see our Aboboi is ready. You see, very simple to prepare. So I have my tatale here. I have a video on how I did my tatale, so I'll just share the link up there so you can just check it out. Okay, so let's serve ourselves. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come, especially my returning viewers. God bless you. I really appreciate you. Okay, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Wouldn't you love to try this vegan friendly sumptuous dish? I know you want to. Okay, so see you in our next video, but let's take some bites together. Bye bye.